Hi everyone. Alright, the lesson's twofold today. I'll probably split it up into two videos. The first one will be a pretty short video and it'll deal with the change of base formulas. And I do want to show you something here. There is a way, if you have log base a of x, this will come in handy in some cases, and I'll show you here in a minute. But if you take the log just of another base, let's say base b of a, over the log same base of x, it would equal this. Now, you're wondering, well, what advantage is this? We just introduced a whole new base here. Well, on your calculators, some calculators will only do log base 10, and that the default base is 10 on your calculator if there's nothing written. You could take the log of a over the log of x. And this is base 10 for these two. Or you also have programmed on your calculators the natural log. You could take the natural log of a over the natural log of x. And I do want to show you something here. On this calculator, and chances are a lot of you will have calculators where this is the case. If I hit math, I actually have log base here. And this lets me change different logs. So if I want log base 2 of 12, I'll put the 2 here, and I'll come with the arrow and put the 12 here, and I'll get 3.585. Let's say 3.585. And I did that in the math menu. If you need to look at that again, of course you could probably back this up, but math, and then if you just go down the first column in math there, I got a log base function here. But when I get on this calculator, let's say I don't have that calculator handy, or the screen gets so bad that I can't look at it anymore. Okay. On this calculator, if I go math and I go down like I did, I do not have that function. This one does not have that. So if I've got this calculator, the change of base comes in handy. So I can take the log base 10 of 12 and divide that by the log base 10 of 2. Okay, now, guys, I apologize. I'm going to have you do something here. I have these completely turned around. The X goes up here, and the A goes down here on every single one of these. So if you could change that in your notes. I'm not going to bother remaking this video. So let's put X here and A here. This goes with the numerator, and this one goes with the denominator. So if I had to do that on this calculator, I would take the log of 12, close those parentheses, and then divide that by the log of 2. And if you'll notice, I got the same answer, the 3.585. And I could actually use the natural log, because that is on this as well. And natural log of 12 divided by the natural log of 2. And that gives me the same answer. Alright, so this is handy for these logs. Now, if you have a change of base, and it's not as necessary, but I still would like for you to know that. Alright, I'm going to close this video and then we'll go to a new one.